Namaste everyone, my name is Avinash Kumar Nirala and I am here to present myself on the topic spiritual reading activities. For this purpose, I have selected a book written by Gaur Gopal Das ji. The name of the book is Life's Amazing Secret. I have been following the thoughts of Gaur Gopal Das ji since 2012. He is a motivational speaker, a life coach who guides us through his positive words on social media platform where he is very popular on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. He was recently awarded as the youngest spiritual guru by a student parliament MIT for his contribution to society at such a young age. In 2016, during his visit to London, he was given an opportunity to present himself in the British Parliament as well. The way he speaks, his humorous thoughts and the way of connecting with the audiences, even the serious issues like epic of Mahabharata and Ramayanas also become very light and meaningful for the youths who sometimes feel that this is boring as other spiritual gurus speak, but he is different from them. He says that we must have a positive attitude towards our life while dealing with the problems. Being positive doesn't mean that we should neglect negativity, but rather we must constructively deal with the negativity and the situation simultaneously while focusing on the positive aspects of it. Just like our tongue gets obsessed when something is struck on our teeth, our mind has a default setting of getting obsessed with anything which is negative around us. If someone has done something for us, then we must show our gratitude towards them, not merely on an emotion. It is a way of life which can be learned and practiced. Gaur Gopal Das has stated few practice of gratitudes. First, to recognize the good that has been done onto us and be thankful to it. To remember goods and mean it. And next, to reciprocate through action of giving back and live by same value. Before giving feedback to someone, we must keep in mind certain things like, am I the right person to give corrective feedback? Second, do I have the right motive while giving feedback to someone? Third, do I have the right way to give the feedback? And fourth and the last is it the right time to give a feedback to someone? About selflessness and sacrifices, he has given example of ice cream and candle. He says the philosophy of ice cream is enjoy it before it melts, and the philosophy of candle is to give light to others before it melts. In order to be happy, we need to shift our attitude from being ice cream to candle, from being selfish to selfless. This shows through services. His thoughts can also be related with our course. As I have felt, Bandura's social persuasion can be largely related with the thoughts and ideas or the work which is being done by Gaur Gopal Das ji, which states that if we are denying to perform any task, but if people around us motivates us and show confidence in us and believe that we can do, then this develops or builds up confidence in us and we are successfully able to perform our task. Gopal Das ji on relationship, he says to accept someone when everything is going well is easier, but when things are not falling right, but we still don't get apart but stick together. That's the test of the relationship. True love is when we have every reason to break up but we still don't. He says, when things are beyond our control and there is nothing we can do, then why worry? We often feel tired, not because we have done too much, but because we have done too little what sparks out within us. Tough times don't last, tough people do. A strong person is not the one who don't cry, but a strong person is the one who is quiet and sheds tears for a moment and then picks up the sword and fights again. On concluding note, I would say, although we can relate some of his thoughts with the thoughts of Swami Vivekananda ji, but he is different from him in the respect that he is nurturing and guiding us in present scenario, modern era, whether it's about matter of life, relationship, spirituality, or motivation. Gopal Das ji has a unique solution to almost every problems which exist within and around us. Thank you.